6 NFT games to play and earn $100 every single day. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about different games that you can play online or offline or even on your mobile phone or computer or even your tablets from which you can earn money. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first video game that I have for you guys is called Lost Relics. Now this is a free online video game that you guys can play on your PC. Now all the games that I will be mentioning on this video, I think this one is the most cool looking one of them all. So all you basically have to do is roam around the world, explore different areas of it, and then find treasures and battle other players and find different relics like this one over here. So we have a couple of different classes. We have transcend, we have uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythical, and transcendent. Now these relics are going to be basically the NFTs that you guys can trade online and then you can earn money from as well. So let's just go ahead and download this game and start playing it. I think the installer is temporarily disabled. I think they're going through an update, so we can't download it and play it. But let me just show you around. So that you guys can know that it's a pretty cool game. Like if I come over here on items and I come over here on blockchains, we can discover all the blockchain items. We can discover all the virtual items. We have outfits, we have pets, multiverse, and founders tokens as well. So let's just check out the blockchain first. So over here, as you can see, these are some of the items that we have. So these are transcendent items. So as you can see down below, we have some remaining items as well. So this one is 20 items in the entire game. This is only 20 of them. Almost half of them are already like found, already claimed, and this one is also 20 and 19 of them are found. There are 300 of this token. Almost none of them have been found. So we can see that we have different items and we have different quantities of them as well. Some are very rare and some are very common in them as well, but almost all of them are either 20 or less than 20, except for this one. I guess this one is, I don't know why it's 300, but like all the other items are like 20 or 10s or 15s. So I don't know why they decided to make this one 300. You get the idea. Like you download this game, you find different relics, and you can then trade them online and then you can earn money from them as well. Unfortunately, I can't download this game right now because the installer is temporarily disabled, but I would have loved to show you guys how it looks like judging from this wallpaper alone, like it looks pretty fun. Like I've seen some people play this game and it's pretty good looking game. Like I would definitely love to play this game. Like over here, as you can see, it's in a, I don't know what that is. I think fourth, like I don't know, like in a strategic way, like this one over here, like Age of Empires. Like I'm sure many of you have played that game. It's a pretty good fun game. Like it's like that. Like the camera is above in the sky and you get the view of the entire like land and stuff like that. In that perspective, the game is like that, and so it's pretty fun. Like Dota, as it's exactly like Dota, but unlike Dota, you can earn cryptocurrencies and NFTs from it as well. So moving on to the second game of this video, we have Gods Unchained. Now I'm sure many of you might have heard about it. Like this is a free-to-play game that you can download on your PC, and it's basically a trading card game. Now the cards that you are going to be trading are basically the NFTs that you can trade in real life as well. I tried downloading this game as well. I couldn't seem to get it played, but I don't know why, but I just couldn't seem to get it to work. Maybe it's because my PC is not powerful enough, but I'm sure that's not the case. I just couldn't download it because it was, I think the server was down or something. But I'm sure that you guys can see this video over here. They're showcasing it on their website. Like it's a pretty fun game. Like you have different cards and each card has a different ability, and then you have to fight and trade other players to get those cards. And basically if you defeat the other player, then basically you get some of his cards, and hopefully you get a rare card, and then you can just simply like trade those cards or sell them online and try and earn money. Like over here, like all you have to do is play, collect, trade, and then you can just earn money. And then as you play, you get, you know, up to different levels. Like there's a master level, ascend to your perfect deck and stuff like that. Like it's a pretty good game. Like I played it once, but I can't seem to download it again. I don't know, for some reason. I highly recommend this game as well. Like Lost Relics and Gods Unchained, like these two games are pretty good. So now moving on to the third video game of this video. So the third game that I have for you guys is called League of Kingdoms. Now, this is a pretty simple video game. Like, it's both available on all devices, like Apple devices, on Google. It's even available on PC. Like, I'll show you in a minute how it basically plays. So, basically, looks something like this. All you have to do is build a kingdom and armies and overpower the other kingdoms and monsters. Now, as you level up, you get to expand your territory and join different alliances and reach other level. Basically, this is a blockchain game. Like, the more you play it, the more you basically earn. Like, it doesn't have any skins or stuff like that, but it pays you in the amount of time you invest in it. Like, as you can see over here, these are some of their partners. So we have Nod Games, OpenSeas, we have Sandbox, we have I'm Token, we have Dapstars, we have TapTop. We have many different other partners that are available. So now that you know a little bit about this game, let's just jump into it. So if I click on game start over here, this is how it will look like. Now over here, as you can see, it's asking me to sign up. I'm just gonna sign in as a guest, so because I'm gonna show you how this game basically looks like while playing it. So this is going to be my first time as well. So bear with me if I'm, make a mistake, like don't roast me or anything. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna have to enter in my kingdom. I'm gonna write crypto. Like this is going to be my kingdom name. Crypto 360 then. 360 always works. Remember that, guys. So this is how it basically looks like on the web page. Like I haven't downloaded it on my phone or my PC or anything like that. I'm just playing it on Windows. And it looks pretty good. Like it looks pretty good. Like, let me just skip this part and basically build different items over here. As you can see, I'm building different items, leveling up. Looks pretty simple. Looks pretty good. Let's build some barracks as well. Like, it looks pretty good. And we have some quests over here we can claim. And as you can see, these are some of my resources that we can use to level up our kingdom and stuff like that. So now we go back. So it looks pretty similar to other strategic type games on phones. Like it's pretty simple and pretty easy to play. I think it's not that good. Plus, it doesn't take a lot of time to understand how this game works. Like it's pretty simple mechanics. You just earn resources, you build different buildings, and then you just train your troops, and then you go out and you fight other kingdoms. Like it's that simple. But I think you get the point. I think you understand what type of game it is and what I mean by that. So I think let's just end it over here. So moving on to our fifth game, we have Alien World. Now, this is one of the popular games that have recently been released on PC, and as you can see, Binance is its partner. It's pretty good. Like I think it's still in its beta version, so I don't know if it's has bugs or not, but it looks pretty good. And you can also, I think, play it on Windows as well. So let me just go ahead and sign in as well. So over here, I think this is the cryptocurrency wallet that they use. So I have to basically like log in and sign up onto this wallet, and then we'll be able to play this game. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, for some reason I couldn't log into the Wax account. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know if it's because it's still in the beta version, but I think we're gonna have to like skip this one as well. But overall, I have seen the videos. I have seen people play this game. Like, let's check it out over here. Like this one over here. Like it looks pretty good. Like all you have to do is basically you have communities, different communities on over here in this game, and then you have to find like battle different communities and find like secret items. Like over here in this one, oh, this is the exo glove. Like these secret items are going to be the NFTs in this game. So basically you just go out there, you just search for it, you mine different items, and then you fight other players and find NFTs, like find rare items. And that's basically the whole purpose of it. Like look at this game. Like it looks pretty cool. Like unlike all the other NFT games, like this one looks pretty great as well. I don't know if this is like the in-game footage, but I think this is like the video. But like you get the idea. Like it looks pretty good. Like over here, like this part over here, like this part looks pretty good and looks pretty cool as well. Unfortunately I couldn't play it, but I wish I could have played it. But as of right now, the Lost Relic and Gods of Unchained are the only two games that look pretty good and that have no bugs. And now moving on to our final two games, like we have these two games over here, the Crazy Defense Heroes and the Crazy Kings. Like these two games are basically for Androids. Like all you have to do is play these games on your phone, and then you can earn cryptocurrencies. Like over here, in this is how it basically looks like. All you have to do is like defend towers and collect cards and play 1,000 levels, and you get rewards in the form of NFTs. Like it looks pretty good. You get different heroes. I think in this game these heroes are the NFTs. So that is pretty cool. Like over here, you get a lot of different heroes in the form of NFTs, like at different rarity levels and experience level as well. So I think once you level up, as you level up, you will have access to more heroes, and then you'll be able to trade and sell those heroes in the form of money as well. So this was the fifth one, and the final one is Crazy Kings. Like it's similar to previous one. It is also available on the Android. I don't know if it's available in iOS, but I think this app is still in development and it may be unstable. So you guys have to be careful about that. It's early access as well, so it's pretty similar to this game as well. Like in this game you have heroes. In this game you also have heroes in the form of kings and knights. So that is basically it. Like the as you can see over here, this is the NFT that you get once you know unlock it, and then you'll be able to sell it and buy it and or trade it as well. So you guys can earn money by playing this game as well. So these were the 6 games that I had for you today. Unfortunately, I couldn't play this one, so you guys could have known it about it. But these 2 games are basically for Android. I don't know if they're available on iOS, but if they are, do let me know in the comment sections down below. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and we'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.